Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. How does Microsoft know you're quitting before you even decide? How did Microsoft convince millions of people to test their code for free? Why is Microsoft using AI to monitor your daily office work habits? How can Microsoft rebuild total trust after a global cloud meltdown? Why does Microsoft outsource its multi-million-dollar customer support to volunteers? How does Microsoft force old-school businesses to pay a monthly subscription? Will generative AI replace the human touch in corporate tech support? How can Microsoft track massive system telemetry without breaking privacy laws? Why is Microsoft giving away elite cloud migration services completely free? How does Microsoft turn everyday tech enthusiasts into secret brand weapons? What happens behind closed doors when Microsoft faces a global cyber disaster? How does Microsoft track your behavior across both Xbox and Office 365? Why is Microsoft secretly gamifying the most boring jobs in IT management? How can Microsoft protect Fortune 500 clients from wild AI algorithmic errors? How did shifting to a SaaS model permanently change how Microsoft treats you? 4. Customer relationships. Microsoft manages customer relationships on a massive spectrum, balancing high-touch personal advisory for global enterprises with fully automated, community-driven engagement for developers and consumers. 8 cases related to customer relationships. Case 1. Dedicated Customer Success Managers, CSMs, embedded experts provided to elite enterprise accounts to proactively optimize software usage and prevent contract churn. Case 2. Unified Enterprise Support Agreements, high-tier paid support relationships offering large organizations guaranteed response times, dedicated technical engineers, and 24/7 disaster recovery assistance. Case 3. Automated self-serve admin centers, centralized digital portals allowing IT admins in small and large companies to provision seats, manage data access, and track billing entirely on their own. Case 4. The GitHub Community Ecosystem, an open, community-led relationship model where Microsoft hosts discussion forums, open-source documentation, and developer events to foster grassroots platform loyalty. Case 5. MVP, Most Valuable Professional, Program, a prestigious advocacy network that nurtures community tech leaders by providing them early product access in exchange for localized user support and advocacy. Case 6. Xbox Player Support and Community Moderation, customer relations designed to maximize player retention through automated help centers, direct console chat reporting, and community-driven forum answers. Case 7. Microsoft Fast Track Deployment Assistance, a value-added onboarding relationship service that helps new cloud subscribers migrate data and deploy software at no extra charge. Case 8. Continuous feedback loops, Windows Insider program, a co-creation relationship framework where millions of enthusiasts test early operating system builds and submit real-time telemetry and feedback. For open-ended questions. How can Microsoft scale personal customer relationship touches to mid-market accounts using generative AI without making clients feel neglected? What is the optimal strategy for rebuilding trust with enterprise clients when major global cloud outages or security vulnerabilities occur? How should Microsoft design customer relationship playbooks for legacy on-premise users who are resistant to moving to a subscription-based cloud model? How can Microsoft balance data-driven relationship monitoring, telemetry, with growing corporate and regulatory demands for absolute user privacy? For explanations. The switch from transactional to relational. In the old perpetual software model, Microsoft's relationship ended at the point of sale. In the current SaaS model, the relationship begins at the sale and must be nurtured constantly to secure recurring renewals. Telemetry-driven proactive retaining. Microsoft monitors real-time application utilization rates. If an enterprise's usage of Teams drops significantly, the relationship team is alerted to intervene before the annual contract renewal date. Community as a support shield. By cultivating massive developer and consumer communities, Microsoft offloads millions of dollars in customer service costs onto peer-to-peer answering networks. Customer success versus technical support. Technical support fixes broken code or software. Customer success ensures the client is actively extracting measurable business value from the tools they purchased. For implementation plans. Plan 1, AI-powered proactive support integration. Deploy automated diagnostic bots within the Azure console that flag suboptimal code configurations and suggest fixes before a system failure happens. Plan 2, tiered developer advocacy scale-up. Expand the developer relations, DevRel, footprint in emerging tech hubs by hosting localized hackathons and providing free engineering mentorship. Plan 3, automated churn warning systems. Build predictive algorithms within the partner dashboard that alert local resellers when an SMB client shows early behavioral signs of dropping their subscription. Plan 4, sovereign compliance advisory councils. Establish regular, high-level feedback roundtables with European enterprise compliance officers to co-develop features that satisfy changing data privacy laws. For implementation processes. Process 1, Enterprise Escalation. Resolve critical server bug detected by enterprise client, then ticket submitted via unified support portal, then automated routing bypasses general support straight to assigned senior engineer, then resolution achieved within SLA window. Process 2, Community Feature Implementation. Developer requests feature on GitHub community board, then post receives hundreds of upvotes, then Microsoft Product Manager prioritizes request in sprint planning, then feature rolls out in next update cycle. Process 3, Onboarding Value Realization. Client signs major Microsoft 365 contract, then fast-track team schedules kickoff call, then data automated migration engines run over weekend, then user training modules delivered, then account reaches steady state. Process 4, Beta feedback loop Windows Insider program pushes experimental build, then user machine logs minor driver crash, then background telemetry uploads crash log to Microsoft engineers, then patch deployed and next weekly update. For actionable recommendations: standardize post-incident transparency, commit to publishing comprehensive, jargon-free root cause analyses, RCAs, within 48 hours of any Azure cloud disruption to maintain enterprise market trust. Gamify the admin experience. Introduce digital badges and skill progression tracking inside the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to incentivize small business IT managers to learn advanced security features. Consolidate siloed help desks. Merge disparate customer support databases, Xbox, Surface, Windows, M365, into a unified profile layer to give agents full context regardless of how a user contacts them. Expand executive briefing centers. Increase the frequency of high-level technology strategy sessions at Microsoft headquarters for enterprise C-suite clients to deepen long-term corporate alignment. 4 to-do items. Analyze customer satisfaction (CSAT) scores across all Tier 1 support centers to identify structural training gaps. Audit the automated email nurture tracks sent to trial users of Power BI to optimize conversions. Establish a crisis communication protocol specifically for communicating AI-related algorithmic errors to corporate enterprise clients. Review the attrition data for accounts that interacted with customer success managers versus those that did not. For practical techniques: health score multi-factor indexing. Grade customer relationships using a composite score based on support ticket volume, feature adoption rates, and executive meeting attendance. Contextual in-app micro-surveys. Replace lengthy annual email surveys with single question, click-based feedback prompts delivered right after a user successfully runs a complex feature. Executive sponsor mapping. Ensure that every top-tier enterprise account has an assigned executive sponsor inside Microsoft who checks in with the client's CIO quarterly. Localized technical user groups. Subsidize and provide free meeting spaces for local IT administrators to build community networks that reinforce platform stickiness at a local level. For practical steps: 1. Pull a list of all corporate accounts whose software contract renewals are occurring within the next 180 days. 2. Cross-reference their active daily usage data to flag accounts using less than 40% of their licensed seats. 3. Deploy a customer success specialist to those flagged accounts to deliver custom training workshops. 4. Reevaluate utilization metrics 60 days later to ensure usage trends upward before final renewal signatures are requested. Want to stay ahead of the curve on corporate tech strategies? If you found these insights valuable, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to catch all of our upcoming business and tech breakdowns. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to download your free study materials and handouts, and get instant access to our free Advanced Chapter online tutorials. Finally, Don't forget to share this video with friends or colleagues who might need it. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.